In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eye-catching flyer using Google Docs. Google Docs is a powerful tool that's often underestimated when it comes to creative tasks, but it's surprisingly versatile. Let's dive right in and get started, ensuring you can design with both ease and style. First things first, we're going to access the tools we need. You'll want to navigate to the Insert menu located at the top of your Google Docs screen. Once there, look for the Drawing option in the drop-down menu. Select New, and this will open a fresh canvas, which is essentially your blank slate for designing flyer elements. Now let's add some content. You can start by using the Text Box tool. With your cursor, draw a text box to your desired shape and size on the canvas. If you want your text box to pop, consider filling it with a color that complements the theme of your flyer. This is easy to do. Just select the Fill Color option and choose a hue that resonates with your design. Additionally, adding a border to your text box can enhance its appearance by giving it some definition. Simply click on the Border option and pick your preferred border thickness. Once you're happy with how the text box looks, click Save and Close. This action neatly inserts your text box into the document, and from there you can further refine your flyer. Incorporating shapes can also add a fun and appealing visual element to your design. Head back to the Insert menu, click on Drawing, and choose New. This will once again provide you a blank canvas. From here, select a shape that harmonizes with your flyer style. Draw the shape to your desired size, and just like your text box, you can fill this shape with color and even add text. You can adjust the border thickness if needed to align with your theme. Don't skip saving your changes, as this will ensure your newly created element is included in your document. As you're crafting your flyer, you may find the need to reposition elements for a balanced design. To achieve this flexibility, click on each element, whether it's a text box or a shape, and choose the Wrap Text option. This allows you to move these elements freely around the page, facilitating a flow that matches your design vision. A visual touch with images can really elevate your flyer. Navigate once more to the Insert menu and choose Image. Google Docs provides a wide range of sourcing options, including your computer, the web, or Google Drive. For simplicity, let's upload an image from your computer. After selecting your image file, click Open. Again, make sure to choose Wrap Text, granting you the freedom to position the image wherever it looks best within your flyer layout. And there you have it, a creative